Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 14 to 20, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Pisces. Anong ganap sa inyo this week? Energy ng Cancer. So this is about immerse. Focusing on protection, taking care of your needs, your family's needs. So maaring ang focus ninyo ay family this week. Meron kayong aayusin, aasikasuhin related sa family ninyo, sa mga anak nyo, or related sa parents nyo. You also have dignified, which is your strength. I think very ka ngayon, focus ka sa goals mo. Meron kang support na nakukuha from your family, from your loved ones. Kaya talagang determinado ka. You also have conjunction. So, this is alliance. This is support. Assistance. Some of you maaring merong collaboration, working with others. You are sharing your knowledge, your skills sa iba, or vice versa. Someone is sharing their knowledge and skill set sa'yo to help you. To help you with your goals or to help you with your career, your business. Let's see what else. Pisces. You have the Three of Wands. So this is exploration, expansion. There's definitely growth, no? May pag-unlad. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong plans na mag-travel, mag-abroad, lalo na mag-abroad, no? So ngayong week na to, matutupad yan. Pwede rin naman tong local travel, pagpunta sa lugar na kung saan ay mag-enjoy kayo. Like, example, sa beach, no? May excursion kayo. You have the Hierophant. You have Judgment, which is major change, rebirth. And then you have the Page of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the Tower. Oh, okay. So, I see a major change for you. Maaring upgrade to, no? So, there's an upgrade. Kumbaga, pagtaas ng level mo. It's either yung level mo sa work or level mo sa community, sa nasasakupan mo. Maari ring mas magiging active ka ngayong week na to in talking to people. May mga kakausapin ka, may mga ka-deal ka. Yung iba, maaring kayo ay active sa public service. Example, kayo ay kumakandidato, no? Or meron kayong kamag-anak na sinusuportahan ninyo sa candidacy nila. I feel like there's a sudden change ng interest ninyo. So, pwedeng may pagbabago kayo sa interest sa isang bagay. Let's say, kung dati hindi ka interesado sa social media, ngayon interesado ka na, or kung dati hindi mo pinapansin yung mga pamamaraan para kumita ng pera online, so ngayon interesado ka na, gusto mo nang subukan. So it's like you discovering your other potentials. Maaring naiengganyo ka, or yung iba sa inyo merong kumukumbinsi sa inyo, or parang you're seeing someone na parang nagbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration na itong taong to gusto ko maging kagaya niya, or gusto kong pagdaanan yung path na pinagdaanan niya. You also have reclaiming your power. Oh, 'di ba? I also see resolution to your problems, no? Or kung ano man yung kailangan yung ayusin ngayon. You also have very likely, so time yan, intuition. So, very strong rin yung instinct ninyo, yung intuition nyo. You are seeing clearly. There's clarity, no? Kaliwanagan. Malakas yung, yung parang pag-analyze ninyo sa isang bagay, naiintindihan nyo agad, alam nyo agad kung ano yung solusyon. Mabilis magproseso yung utak nyo ngayon. Oo. And also, maaring yung iba, nananaginip. Oo, meron kayong mga pagkakataon na nananaginip kayo na parang feeling nyo totoo na. Masyado na siyang realistic. Na nisipin nyo nangyari talaga siya. So, pwede siyang mga premonition or signs or messages na pinapahatid sa inyo ng inyong spirit guides, ng inyong ancestors. So, pay attention to that. Okay? Puro mga time to. So, maaring may mga major changes or events na mangyayari within 6 to 9 months or ngayon na siya nagsisimula pero proseso siya na hanggang 9 months. O, yung iba baka may pregnancy kasi 9 months, 'di ba? Ang weird ng puro mga timing to. Okay, ano pa? Assessment, okay, evaluation ng inyong situation. So, yung judgment nyo, you have a good perspective, good judgment. You are seeing things clearly. So, pag ganun, madaling makapag-desisyon, 'di ba? So, tingnan natin energy ng inyong money, career, finances. So, you have the 3 of Cups. You have the Strength card and the World. Uy. The World is like an opportunity para sa'yo sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa. I think mas lumalawak yung iyong scope. Mas nag-expand yung career, yung business mo, yung opportunities for your finances. Maari ring merong isang kaibigan na like mag-offer sa'yo ng opportunity regarding your investment, or yung iba naman mag-offer ng opportunity sa ibang bansa. So, it really, it is asking you na ipagpatuloy yung mga goals mo kahit may mga challenges. Kasi eventually, you're going to be successful, no? As long as talagang dedicated ka, desidido ka sa mga gusto mo. Meron din dito ang collaboration. Maaring makikipag-partner ka for business, for a project. Sa love life, you have the Knight of Pentacles. So, you may be dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have the Moon and the King of Pentacles. So, maaring financial situation ang major concern ninyo sa relationship. So, pwedeng ito ay part ng business partnership ninyo together. Some of you naman, the Moon kasi is parang may doubts, no? So, maaring if you're single, tapos merong taong interesado sa'yo, tapos parang feeling mo tong person na to masyadong generous, yung bigay ng bigay, pwede kasing nagda-doubt ka sa intentions niya sa'yo, na parang baka dinadaan lang niya sa pariga-regalo, ganun. Pero yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo namamalayan na in love na pala kayo. Kasi very generous ang person na to. So, pwedeng malakas talaga yung earth signs dito, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But if you are in a relationship, I'm seeing na nagiging mas malalim yung connection mo sa person na to. Pwedeng nagpaplano na kayo for your future, for your career or business together. Parang meron kayong binibuild na empire together. Kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? So, this is being kind to yourself. Minsan, selfless kasi kayo. Minsan, iniisip nyo lagi ibang tao. Hinuhuli nyo yung sarili nyo. Pero, kailangan rin naman kasi nabigyan nyo ng attention yung sarili ninyo. Diba? Sabi nga nila, how can you love or take care of others kung hindi mo kaya yang ibigay sa sarili mo? Diba? So, you have to be kind to yourself na minsan kasi yung may mga nasasabi or naisip tayo tungkol sa sarili natin. Na minsan yun yung namamanifest natin, na minsan sabihin natin, oh, I'm not good enough, or may kulang sa akin, ganyan. So, you have to be careful kung ano yung iniisip mo tungkol sa sarili mo, kasi baka yun yung namamanifest mo na. Okay? So, be kind to yourself. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.